Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing a quick review on Asana. I don't know why I just feel like calling it Asana, but I know it's not pronounced Asana. I don't think it's pronounced Asana, but I don't know why I just feel like calling it Asana. Anyway, I'm going to be calling it Asana. Anyway, Asana is a popular work management platform designed to help teams organize, track, and manage their work. It is widely used for project management, task tracking, and team collaboration. Now, the key strengths are user-friendly interface, flexible task and project management, collaboration features because teams can collaborate on tasks through comments, mentions, and file attachments, keeping communication centralized. And when it comes to integration, Asana integrates with a wide range of other tools, enhancing its functionality and allowing for smoother workflows across different platforms. It has a robust free plan. Asana offers a capable integration, so you can see. If you want to see more, click on see your integrations. Now, when it comes to robust plan, like we said, it has a robust free plan. Yep. Capable free plan for smaller teams, providing access to core features. This is a free plan. You can see it provides access. You can see unlimited, anything unlimited. So great. So it provides access to capable free plan for smaller teams, providing access to their core features. And then let's look at the drawbacks. Look at the pricing. Pricing part of the drawbacks too. Let's look at it. You see, while there's a free tier, paid plans can be relatively expensive, especially for larger teams. Look at the paid plans; it's kind of expensive. Then there's also limited collaboration tools compared to some other alternatives. Some reviews note that its real-time collaboration features like built-in chat or whiteboarding may not be as extensive as some competing platforms. Then, while it is easy to start with, mastering some of the more advanced features and customization might require a steeper learning curve. For large enterprises, some administrative controls and communication options might be less robust compared to solutions designed specifically for that scale. Overall, Asana is a strong contender in the project and work management space, particularly well suited for teams looking for a flexible and visually clear way to manage tasks and projects. Its ease of use and comprehensive feature sets make it a popular choice, although the cost and some limitations in advanced collaboration might be factors to consider for certain users or organizations. So that's it. We've come to the end of Asana review. See you in the next video. Bye for now.